I grew up in a messy house filled with books, and to me, that is love.
My organizational system for my books is laughable.
Running the bookstore has affected my books at home by making them multiply at an alarming rate.
Well, right now all of my books live on the floor of my bedroom, and they are currently organized by color.
A poetry bookshelf, and then a mix in my room, and then cookbooks in the kitchen.
There are mountains and occasional mudslides.
Instead of just having them like in a disorganized pile, they live in a pretty pile.
The piles are relatively organized. I moved sort of recently, so I'm going to kind of claim that as the reason why they are not better organized at this particular moment.
So I'm fine with the piles. I'm fine with the mess. I don't actually care.
And some stuff in the living room, so it's loosely by genre. No, that would be unmanageable, but I'm trying to sell and like donate more.
I definitely get rid of books all the time. I've moved probably like 3 times in the last like 3 years, and each time a set of books will leave me.
The last time I moved, I had grand plans to donate that then turned into grand plans to donate to the sidewalk, so whoever was walking by got very lucky that day. But mostly I keep my piles, and I do like to pass things along to friends or family members that I think are gonna really like the book.
Well, there's one really sad story. This is a really sad story. But I had a first edition hardcover copy of Yaa Gyasi's Homegoing that she signed for me, and I loaned it to someone. Why would I do that? I don't know, and I never got it back. So that's the one I would keep if I could, but it's gone forever.